let's now see how to execute a simple search on Tobu. So let's say you're looking for a software engineer with skills like Java and SQL, and maybe also some good to have skills like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's see how you can perform a search for that. So you simply hit the search button and the search box appears. So you have your keyword search and your Boolean search. So we would say you start off with keyword search because it's a very simple way to get started and just play around with your search and see what kind of results you get. So let's say you're looking for keywords Java and SQL. So you hit Java, you hit enter, you hit SQL, you hit enter. Let's say you're also looking for keywords HTML, hit enter, CSS, enter, and JavaScript, enter. Now let's also see what these keyword fields mean. So you have your any of the keywords, you have all of the keywords, and you have excluding keywords. So any of the keywords means that if HTML appears on the resume, or CSS appears on the resume, or JavaScript appears on the resume, please show me that in the search results. So not all need to appear, either one of these can appear and you can show me the result. Whereas in the AND keywords, you have the all of the keywords, you have Java and SQL. So you want Java and SQL to appear in the resume, and only then you show me the resume, right? And now you also have your job title field. So you can say software engineer, hit enter, let's say software developer, hit enter. So you can put as many job titles as you want. Then you have other fields like, years of experience. So you can say, give me candidates between 4 and 8 years of experience. You can even put locations. So you can say, give me people in a certain location. Let's say India, from a certain city. Let's say Mumbai. So I say Mumbai, India, and I can even put a radius. So I can say within 100 miles of Mumbai and enter these search criteria. So of course, there are a lot of different criteria, but feel free to play with these criteria and hit search to get started. And you should start seeing your search results very, very quickly for these particular search criteria. So this is how the search works, and it'll show you all the results that match these criteria now. So because it's Mumbai and within 100 miles of Mumbai, it even shows locations like Pune, which is close to Mumbai. So this is how the radius search works as well, and it works really well. So please feel free to try this. And this is a simple way to get started with search on Tobu.